Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial we have something fun because it's day one of a 30-day challenge just using your fabric scraps. And in today's tutorial we're going to make these cute covers that are made out of fabric and just a small elastic, and they're really cute to put on top of your glass jars. So let's get started.
Okay, so to begin we need our scissors, we need our glass jar, and also we need a marker, some elastic and our measuring tape. To begin, we're going to face down our jar and make sure the lid is onto the fabric, and with our marker we're going to trace all the way around to create a perfect circle. And what you're going to do next, with 1 centimeter distance from our first circle, we're going to create a second one. So I am just marking 1 centimeter, and then with a hand you can just draw a perfect circle and just join all the marks together. And now from our first circle again we're going to come out 5 centimeters and mark all the way around, and like the first one we're going to join all the lines and create our third circle. Okay, so now that we have created all our circles, it's time to cut out the final pattern. Okay, so now that I have cut out my circle, I'm going to measure the elastic. So to measure the elastic, we want to put it around our glass jar, just around the top area where the cover is going to sit. And whatever the measure of your top is, you're going to slightly make the elastic smaller. So as you see in the video, I went too tight, so don't go this small. Just whatever size it is, go slightly smaller. We just want it to fit on perfectly. It doesn't have to be tight, because if it goes super tight it's going to pop off the lid. So I'm going to sew this along the 1 centimeter seam allowance that we just created with our second circle, and this is what we're going to have. Our final look is this one, guys. So this just fits perfectly around the lid and it doesn't pop off because it's the perfect size. We just went slightly smaller than our lid for it to just sit there and not pop off. And so this is our final look. This is the final design, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and make sure to subscribe and wait for our second day of our 30-day challenge of using only our fabric scraps. Until my next video, I will see you guys soon.